Hi guys, Andrew here from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here to talk to you about your Honda and your Honda maintenance. So who here loves their Hondas as much as I do? I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that do. As you see, when your vehicle is coming due for service, you'll have an oil life indicator showing how much percentage you have left. And sometimes it's followed by a bunch of different numbers. Maybe not knowing what that means, you can always Google it. But if you go into your onboard maintenance minder, it'll show you what you need. So I have mine up on the screen here right now. And Honda, in their engineering of their vehicles, they have a predetermined maintenance scheduled on their vehicles. As you'll see, A is always an oil change, probably followed by an A1, which will be a tire rotation. Air filters recommended every certain mileage, transmission services, spark plugs at number 4, engine coolant, brake fluid flushes, and brake servicing, as well as chassis inspections. Your Honda's a great car. You invest in it, you know you love it. You're keeping it for the long run. Fluid changes are a lot cheaper than component replacements. You know, take care of your Honda as you know it'll take care of you. Any questions about your maintenance, give us a call here at Urban Automotive. Safety first.